I'm Thomas Schermerhorn, and you're watching another drawing, illustrations, and art video. In this video, I wanted to talk about why your art is flat, but first, I'd like to apologize for any loud noises or disturbing sounds in the background. I have no control over what's going in the background right now, and I just wanted to apologize about that. In this video, we'll talk about shape and form, planes, and how to practice it. But first, I'd like to talk about the artwork in the background. As you know, it's a part of my Man vs. Giant series. My plan is to do 10 of these drawings. This is just one thumbnail. Because of that, I may halt some of my work on my YouTube videos to get some of this work done, because these take a long time to do. Just the thumbnails, right, take a long time to do. And before I proceed to the finished work, I want to have a good idea of what I'm going to do with each one of them. If I do this, I promise to keep you guys updated in some way, shape, or form. As I work on these thumbnails, I'm refining my own process on how to do this type of thing and whatnot, and I hope to come to some type of easier process that's easier for me to do YouTube videos and this, right? I'll still be recording stuff though and eventually uploading them. Anyways, this is talk for another video though. Let's talk about the topic of this video, which is why is your artwork flat? There is no shape and form. Many times I look at my own work when writing these videos and these blogs out. When looking at them, I saw there was no shape and there was no form. There was no consideration for the different planes and and how it's constructed. Think about the planes. Now, when I think about drawing, I try nowadays to think about the different planes of what I am drawing. Nothing goes one way. There's always different shapes, different lines, different angles. Reference really helps in this situation to observe the different angles and planes. Now, how to practice it when drawing shapes. This is something that I'm always thinking about. I don't really have an example here, but when I was a kid, I would draw different shapes, right? Especially when I found that by drawing different shapes, I could make things seem more realistic. I would draw squares, triangles, spheres. Another great exercise is to draw or trace over top of what you're drawing to find shapes, as many as you can. And then the last thing is drawing from real life. Find simple shapes like boxes or spheres, triangles, practice their construction. This will help you to be able to draw them, their overall shape better, right? Another thing you could do is maybe study how woodworkers think, right? My dad was a woodworker, and I think a lot of what I know in drawing, he didn't draw at all, comes from this. Right? He would, you have to understand how things are put together in a three-dimensional form, because you're creating basically a three-dimensional form in that sense, and I think that helped out a lot. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Tell me about your projects, like and share. Hit that bell button to be notified of new videos and when I upload them. Thank you for watching the channel and reading the blog. It really helps me grow. I'll see you guys in the next one.